violence, physical abuse, verbal
Wait, physical abuse? Okay,
abuse.
let's
On a
hope.
scale of 1 to 10, I would think my anger would be 10. Trust me, when that happens, you do not want to be in my room. One time, I got really angry. I jumped off my bed and I pushed my mom, and it really hurt her back.
So she jumped out the bed and pushed her mom. Let me guess, what did the mom do? That's right, nothing.
I called my dad
Oh,
stupid.
that dad is scared shitless. Just look at his face. You can tell that he saw a lot of things, a lot of weird things in this life, but nothing as weird as this kid.
Idiot, moron, dumb. If my brothers and my sisters do something annoying, they're in big trouble. I'll hurt them, I'll threaten. One time, they made me really angry, and I chased my siblings around with a knife.
So if her siblings made her angry, and you know what she decided to do? Grab a knife and chase them around with it. Jesus Christ! No siblings, no annoying.
When I was 6, I had a hamster named Jack. One time, I took him out of his
That's Jack the Ripper.
cage. I wanted to play doctor.
She used the mag light and basically beat it to death into a flat object.
Poor thing, poor animal. It's animal abuse. Basically, she took a flashlight and beat the poor hamster to death until it's thin as paper. Jesus Christ.
She smashed it.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she smashed it. She's trying to look sorry, but I don't think she really is sorry.
I remember where I did it. It was in the living room.
Was he smashed?
Yeah, he was gone.
Oh, I wonder how, surprise, surprise, he was gone. I wonder how did he die, I mean. If you hit him like with a flashlight, like until he's thin, how did he die? I mean, I don't know how did he die. I guess he was sick. He was supposed to
Another
say.
time, Mom showed us baby birds. I said, "Oh, they're so cute." 5 minutes later, had a bunch
Oh, at least she likes birds, I think.
of baby birds in my hands. And then that's when I remembered if I put them back in the nest, the mama bird would kill them. The voices told me if I don't save the baby birds,
Clearly, she watches too much Supernatural.
then they're gonna do something to my family, something bad.
Wait a second. If they're not, wait. If let them do something bad to her family, you're gonna do something bad to her family. I'm telling you, one day she's gonna kill him. Kill her family. Like, what's the difference? Something kills her family, or she kills her family. At least she's not gonna have the guilt.
So I killed them. Violence.
Let me get this straight. 50% of serial killers admitted that they started killing animals first. Clearly, she's a serial killer.
Makes me feel comfortable.
Let her have therapy. Get some help. There's something called therapy.
It's just a bad situation.
Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, so I know if I should make more reaction videos or what kind of videos. So yeah, peace.